Sahih Bukhari hadees number 881. Weekly congregational salat prayer offered by the Muslims at the time of Salatul Zuhr prayer. This salat is preceded by khutbah, religious talk. Narrated Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Allah's messenger said, any person who takes a bath on Friday like the bath of Janaba and then goes for the salat in the first hour early, it is as if he had sacrificed a camel in Allah's cause for charity. And whoever goes in the second hour, it is as if he had sacrificed a cow. And whoever goes in the third hour, then it is as if he had sacrificed a horned ram. And if one goes in the fourth hour, then it is as if he had sacrificed a hen. And whoever goes in the fifth hour, then it is as if he had offered an egg. When the Imam comes out, starts delivering the khutbah, religious talk, the angels present themselves to listen the khutbah. Subhanallah. हज़रत अबू हुरैरा रज़ियल्लाहु तआला अन्हु से रिवायत है, रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने फरमाया, जो शख्स जुमा के दिन का गुस्ल जनाबत की तरह एहतमाम से गुस्ल करे, फिर नमाज के लिए जाए तो गोया इसने एक ऊँट की कुर्बानी दी। जो शख्स दूसरी घड़ी में जाए तो गोया इसने गाय की कुर्बानी दी। और जो शख्स तीसरी घड़ी में जाए तो गोया इसने सींगदार मेंढा बतौर कुर्बानी पेश किया। और जो चौथी घड़ी में जाए तो गोया इसने एक मुर्गी सदका किया। और जो